Hey, my friend, I have a quick tutorial on how you can start sharing these cash bonus programs that I've been telling you about. And excuse me, excuse me. And I'm also going to tell you why this will work. So let's get started. These programs are from reputable companies. They have a refer a friend cash bonus program. When you refer someone and that person takes particular actions, these companies will give you a cash bonus. All right. So this quick tutorial is start with family and friends and your colleagues that you normally talk to. It could be 3, it could be 5, it could be 10. Okay. And when you go into the app, they have a refer a friend link, which is a website link that's coded to you. Text that to them. So now here's where the training comes in. I don't just text the language that the company uses. Okay, that's more to me for someone that you don't know or someone that you don't talk to as often. Okay, that's someone that's a little bit further away from you, if that makes sense. What I do is I text people and say, hey, listen, I found this app where you can get cash back. And if you spend $50 within 90 days of getting this link, they're going to give you $50 and they're going to give me $50. Boom. Plus, you're going to get cash back from shopping because I know you shop online. And I send them the link. You see what I mean? I found this checking account. It's an online checking account. The bank is reputable. You can look them up. But when you create a checking account and you add $50 with your debit card, they're going to give you $25. They're going to give me $75. And don't worry, I got you, cuz. I got you, my friend. When you refer other people and they do the same, you're going to get $75. They're going to get $25. You see? Just something real quick because I know these people, right? Same thing with the prepaid card. Prepaid card. It's going to take 2 weeks for you to get it, but request your card is free. Add 40. They're going to give you 20. They're going to give me 20. And then when you refer other people, they're going to give you 20. They're going to give them 20. Okay? So that's the training. It's over for today. Start with family and friends and colleagues, people that you know, people that you are naturally texting. The reason why I know this will work, let me tell you my history. About 18 years ago, I just started finding all these different type of business opportunities. I was very excited about it. And so didn't know that I was being, all over the place. Didn't know that other people would not be as excited on starting biz ops and starting their own business and stuff like that. So with family and friends and colleagues, hey, come and do this with me, come and do that. And it was a big turnoff. I didn't know any better. I was very excited. That's my background, okay? And so my background also is I don't mind rejection, and I don't mind people telling me no, and I don't mind asking. I'm going to go for the ask, whether it's, can I get something free from you, or I'm going to ask. So that's my background. That's my makeup, okay? So when I found these, I went back to those same people because that's who I talk to the most. And I had told them years ago, I'm sorry, I was just really excited about that. I know you're not interested in the business. My bad. Keep going. Pretty much every person that I sent these links to, they did it. They signed up. And I asked them why. And they said, we've heard of NetSpend. We can't believe that they're doing that. We didn't know that. And I can use $20 over and over. I'm going to tell my children and my grandchildren, right? Because they had people immediately in their family who were over 18 could do that. So they racked up. So the company was reputable for them. They didn't know that companies have refer a friend or referral bonus or affiliate programs where they would literally put cash in their pockets. They didn't know that. Okay? Am I in his way? They didn't know that. Okay? And they also said, it's not a business. and it's not, right? Right. So this is my quick tutorial. Click the link in the video description. There is a video link down there that's telling you how each one of them work. And the main thing is you have to add the amount that they say. You have to add the amount that they say, not anything less. But check that video out on how it works, okay? And then if you're not a member and you're not a customer, become a customer, right? Click that link. If you already are a customer, log into the app, get to share, my friend, right? Right. So this is my quick tutorial. Start with family and friends. And then in the next couple of days on another video, I'll share with you how you can do this online, which is pretty simple. And if you're watching what I'm doing, that's how you do it online. The only thing is you may not want to show your face. I'm going to share with you some different ways on how you can do it. Okay? Okay. So log into the app. Well, start first and then log into the app. Start sharing with family and friends and colleagues. That's going to be the most smoothest, non-resistant route. Many blessings.